Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Dodge Challenger on jack stands. First, locate the front jacking point, often the subframe or sturdy frame rails behind the engine. Use your floor jack there. Once lifted, place your jack stand securely under the reinforced pinch welds or the designated jack stand points, which may be indicated by cutouts. Always ensure your Challenger is on a flat, level surface before you begin. For the rear of your Challenger, the differential is a common and strong central jacking point. Lift the vehicle slowly and carefully. Once the rear is raised, position your jack stands under the reinforced pinch welds or the factory jack pads, if equipped. Some Challengers may require a low-profile jack to reach these points. Remember, always use jack stands. Never rely solely on a jack for support. Safety is paramount when working under your car. Before lifting, place wheel chocks on the wheels that remain on the ground to prevent any movement. Once the jack stands are in position, slowly lower the vehicle until its weight rests entirely on the stands. Give the car a gentle shake to confirm it is stable and secure on all four stands before you begin any work. After your work is complete and before lowering, double-check that all four jack stands are properly seated and the vehicle is stable. Regular maintenance, like checking tire pressure and fluid levels, keeps your Challenger running smoothly. And speaking of quality, if you're looking for durable socks, Darn Tough offers a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to those, plus other great deals. Finally, inspect your brakes and suspension components for wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.